Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how my updated everyday makeup routine. This is just a simple makeup routine. First I'll start with a primer. I'm using Maybelline primer. This I got from Jumia. It's 1500. You can get other primers which are cheaper, which fits your skin. I love this primer because it illuminates my skin. Yeah, it does. Then with my eyebrows, I'm going to use Davis eye pencil number 18. It's a brown eye pencil for dark people, for dark skin, brown skin. Yeah, light skin, you better use a black eye pencil. And this eye pencil is only 30 bob. If you're planning to start your own makeup kit, I have a budget for you. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, say something. If you see a mistake, correct me in the comment section. If you see something good, appreciate me. I'll be grateful you did. So because it's an everyday routine, I'm doing something that will not take a lot of time. If I used my concealer, I'll have to clean that up, but I do not want to do that because it's an everyday makeup routine. I use my foundation that way. When I apply my foundation, it blends easily together than when I would have used a lighter concealer. I would have to clean that up. So this is a secret, or is it I've shared a secret, or let me say it's a secret, or it's a hack. If you want to do your makeup fast, just use your foundation. That way you'll not have a lot of work to clean up the concealer when you are done with your eyebrows, and to blend it in with your foundation. Guys, pardon my voice, I have a cold. Niko na homa. I wanted to postpone this video until nimepona, lakini hii homa nikaa tunaishi nayo. So let's do this. Now I'm defining my eyebrows. Take your time with your eyebrows. If it is messed up, there is no going back. And I love that I've used my foundation. That way I will not have to clean up the concealer, and I'll take a little time to do my makeup. It's an easy to go makeup. Oh, I didn't mention the foundation. The foundation I'm using, it's Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It goes for 1200, and right now, as per today when this video is going up, Jumia is running an offer. It's going for 800. Guys, go grab it now. It always goes for 1200, but now they have an offer. It's at 800, and it is an easy foundation to blend. So if you are a beginner, this one is for you. Now I'm using the same foundation on my face now. You see, it's easier when you use your foundation. You don't have to clean up the excess concealer that would have been there when you're defining your eyebrows. Apply your foundation well. Also guys, you can get this foundation at my shop. It's Sherrie Makeup on Facebook, or you can DM me on Instagram. It's Sherrie Beauty Makeup. This foundation is available. Just ask for your shade. We do delivery countrywide. Yes. So don't be worried. We got you. We got you. My shop does not have enough though. Guys, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think about this look. Make sure you apply your foundation until your neck area so that you don't look like you have put on a mask on your face. I was really having fun when doing this. Now to the next, to my eyeshadow. I'm using Hudabeauty eyeshadow. It goes for $3.50. It's not on my shop. I bought it on a random shop hapa to Nairobi. You can get it at $3.50. If you're on a budget, this is a good eyeshadow palette for you. Because it is a simple look, I'll just pat that eyeshadow on my eyes, on my eyelid. And I love how I applied it on my eyelid. It came out so well. And the color is beautiful. It's not popping. It is just calm. It's not nude. When you're applying your eyeshadow, just pat your eyeshadow. For this look, my foundation has acted as an eye primer for this eyeshadow. Now to my eyeliner. I'm using Huda eyeliner. Huda eyeliner, I got it from Jumia at 500. I don't know how they're selling it right now. With this eyeliner, you'll feel teary. You'll notice I was so teary when I applied on this specific eye. Though I love the outcome. I love it. Now to my mascara. I'm using L.A Colors Mascara. This has been my mascara for the longest time. I love this mascara. It goes for only 500 at Jumia. I'm really shouting Jumia here. I'm giving them a shout out. If you're a makeup artist, you know what I'm doing there. This is how you should apply your mascara, though it's tricky. It's so much tricky. Yeah, this is my to-go mascara. I love it. And if you buy it, you will love it too. Now to the next product. Now this is L.A Girl Powder. It is in my shop. It is in my shop on Facebook at Sherrie Makeup. You can order it. We deliver countrywide. It goes for $7.50, and it is a very good powder because it comes with a mirror and a sponge. It's good for touch up. You can carry it in your bag. Very, very portable. You will love this. Apply it on your face so that you don't look sweaty, or when you sweat you don't look like you have poured oil on your face. That's the main reason you apply powder. Guys, order this on my page on Facebook at Sherrie Makeup, or just DM me on Instagram at Sherrie Beauty Makeup. Now to the next product. I'm using Maybelline Lasting Fix as my setting spray. I love this. I love this setting spray. Right now it's at 800 on Jumia, but it always goes for 1700, so take advantage of their offers. Now finally, I'm using my Davis eye pencil to line my lips. Just that way I'm not applying lipstick, because you said this is a very simple look. To go look an everyday look, very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.